In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Power BI. Let's dive right in and make this integration seamless and productive. First, open your web browser and head over to the Asana login page. Once the page has loaded, you'll see a field where you're required to input your email address. Go ahead and type in your registered Asana email address here. After you've entered your email, look for the continue button on the page and give it a click. This will lead you to the next step of the login process. Now you'll see a password field. It's time to enter your password. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors and ensure that your caps lock is off unless your password specifically requires capitalized letters. Once you've correctly entered your password, the next thing to do is click on Log In. This action will log you into your Asana account, bringing you to the Asana homepage. From your homepage, you'll want to navigate to the project you wish to work with. Locate the project in your list and click on it. This will take you to the project's main page where you can carry out the next steps of setting up the integration. Next, look for the Customize button within the project interface. Click on it to reveal more options. When the customization options appear, direct your attention to the Apps section. Clicking on Apps will present you with a variety of applications that can be integrated with Asana. Now find the Add button and click on it. This will allow you to see a list of available apps for integration. Scroll through until you find Power BI. Once you've spotted it, select it and then click on Learn More to get additional information about this integration. After you've understood the basics, you'll want to proceed with the installation. Locate the Install Power BI for Asana option and click on it to initiate the installation process. The installation process might take a moment, so patience is key here. With Power BI now set up, it's time to move over to the Power BI desktop. Open the application on your computer. Once inside, direct your focus to the Get Data feature. Click on it, which will show you several options. Within Get Data, look for the Online Services category, where you should find Asana listed. Click Connect next to Asana. Here you're presented with an important step. You'll need to enter the URL of the Asana team or portfolio that you'd like to analyze within Power BI. Carefully input the URL and proceed to establish a connection. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Asana to Power BI. This integration will greatly enhance your productivity and give you powerful insights into your projects and tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll be able to leverage the capabilities of both Asana and Power BI to manage and analyze your data more effectively. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those projects moving forward.